line, regardless of terrain. If it's undulating, if it's like on the edge of a road, or if it's the edge of a field, a grassy field like this, you get the idea, right? A nice clean finish makes your model, the model you're proud of, look professional and pleasing to the eye.
How's everybody doing? So yeah, I just want to close with a couple of words about this scale and this particular little diorama. I had a lot of fun with this. Now people might be wondering, well, didn't you just do Juno Beach, the 1/16 scale? Yeah, I did, and I wanted to build something like a kind of a palette cleanser. Like, I think a lot of modelers sort of get that. Like once you're in a grueling build, that one was 5 months. This one was about 6 weeks. It didn't take long. Like, there are terms for this scale. This is 1/48 scale, and I just want to mention a few things about scale. Like, I started out as a kid, like in 1/72 scale. Like, that was my first introduction to armor models. I don't even think there were 1/48 scale models out then. There were 1/48 scale or O scale trains. Like, that was evident with Lionel and, well, I guess American Flyer, but that was S and so on. But 1/48 scale for like armor models was almost non-existent. So like this kit, this is from 2022, and I was blown away by it. Like, it was so simple to build. And of course, Tamiya-like quality, as you know, is, I don't know, there's something about Tamiya. They seem to do all the things right that they need to do. Like, I thought I would just blow this kit off just for a fun piece on the bench, and then I thought, well, I have some of these bases, so I'll just build them up and build like several little dioramas. Like, I think I mentioned that before, that along with Juno Beach, I want to build a theme, but smaller dioramas, not that size of footprint, on the Normandy campaign. This is the American side. I wanted to give tribute, like, out of respect to them as well. Like, after Omaha Beach, there was St. Lo. So this scene depicts just south of St. Lo after the breakthrough, which was really brutal. It was their con of what the Canadians faced at Caen and beyond to Falaise. And this unit here, like, this is a recon unit, cavalry. Like, I don't know the exact battalion that it was, but these vehicles here, these M8 Howitzers, were used for recon. They had twin Cadillac engines in them, so they were fast. They could creep up. They weren't really loud. They had good sound suppression. They were just ideal. And if they needed to, they could lob shells onto positions or whatever as a vanguard unit, or the tip of the spear. So anyway, yeah, just in closing then, I just want to mention, like, I have quite a bit of video coverage of the build on this. I wasn't sure if I was going to cover it. If you're interested, just please let me know down in the comments below. For those of you that are new to the channel, I tend to do that. I've changed my style a little bit. I like to show, compressed builds to those that really don't have the time. I understand that. Or they're viewing on a different format. And then there's those that like the blow-by-blow, methodology and why I do the things the way I do, tips and how-tos and so on. So if you want me to do that, like to sew together some feature videos along the way as this channel sort of evolves, then please let me know down below. Okay? So yeah, 1/48 scale, the Goldilocks scale as they call it, a phrase I didn't coin, but an appropriate one, I think, for 1/48 scale, because I really think that it's a bit of a sleeper scale, and a lot of people maybe don't think about it. They don't take up a lot of time or money or whatever, and they're really nice for display as well, okay? So happy modeling to all of you, and I hope that you have a great day. Cheers.